Embark on an unforgettable adventure in Kenya's majestic wilderness with our comprehensive travel guide to experiencing a safari in Kenya. Immerse yourself in the captivating world of wildlife as you embark on thrilling game drives that bring you face to face with lions, elephants, giraffes, and more. Explore the vast plains of the Masai Mara National Reserve, where the Great Migration unfolds in all its awe-inspiring glory. Discover the hidden wonders of Amboseli National Park, where you can witness majestic elephants against the backdrop of Mount Kilimanjaro. Trek through the breathtaking landscapes of Tsavo National Park, home to a diverse range of wildlife from rhinos to crocodiles. Whether you're a wildlife enthusiast or simply seeking an extraordinary travel experience, a safari in Kenya promises to leave you awe-inspired. So, pack your bags and get ready to explore the untamed beauty of Kenya's wildlife on an unforgettable safari adventure.